Hey traders, Shane from GMT Futures and FX, welcome back. I'm going to take you through SN03, which is our trend trader strategy on crude oil. This trades during the open of the US market. It only really trades for about 10 minutes a day, and I'm going to have a look at it because last year it produced about $9,000 worth of profit for the entire year, so a 90% return on a $10,000 account. This year it's up 81% per single lot being traded, and its profit is $8,105 for 2013. So we have about a month and a little bit left of this year, and the question is, are we going to get that magic $9,000 mark that we got last year, or is this system going to fall just a little bit short? I mean, either way, it's a fantastic return. So let's have a look at how it's been tracking this year. Okay, traders, so I've got SN03, I've got the stats up on our screen. I'm just going to walk you through how it's performed this year. Obviously, we've still got a little bit of a way to go to catch up to 2012, but it's running really well. The system's running well, so I'm pretty confident we're going to hit that $9,000 mark. At the moment, for the last 10 days, it's made over $300, which is a good sign. Obviously, if we continue that performance over the next 3 to 4 weeks, we'll easily get our mark. You can see there it's at 8105. Basically on a $10,000 account, which is an 81% return, which is fantastic. Our net profit to max drawdown is 5.6. The average trade net profit is a healthy $68. Remember, we want that as high as we can get it, because the skinnier that average trade net profit is, the more likely your system is potentially of breaking even or potentially losing money once you include, or once you go live in the market and start, experiencing things like slippage through volatility and things of that nature. The great thing about this at the moment is that the win rate is 67%, so we've got a very strong win rate there. And the other thing too is that it's been off a couple of times during the year. So we've had a couple of times where we've had a drawdown, and we've still managed to make good money on this strategy. So there's been 2 or 3 times where this system has turned off. It's hit what we call our circuit breaker. Now, our circuit breaker is a point at which the system, we stop trading on the system because it's hit our maximum drawdown, and then we wait for that. So you can see there it's been off a couple of times during the year, but back on now and doing really well. So I'm expecting this to run well through to the end of the year. So we'll keep updating you on a weekly basis as to how system number 3 is tracking on the crude oil open. As I said before, for the time that you're trading this strategy, it's only trading about 10 minutes a day. That's a fantastic return on investment, and it doesn't trade every day as well. So it's only typically trading a couple of days a week. So if you're looking for something that's got a good return on investment and doesn't really require you to be trading every day, and certainly not trading for hours at a time, this is the perfect starting strategy. All right, traders, we're just going to have a quick look at crude coming into obviously December. We want to see exactly what's happening on the daily chart. You can see there's a strong selling bias there at the moment. We've broken through that 100 level. We're heading down towards that lower support at 87.05. So you can see here that the volatility indicator is showing us that we've got medium volatility, perfect for our 89 tick crude open strategy. We've got a lower ATR, so we're just going to keep an eye on that. Obviously, the lower ATR means we're getting lower range days, so we just want to doesn't drop too low for our strategy. But the volatility, rising volatility or medium volatility, the trend trader, so that's okay. So we'll keep an eye on that and improving there. And you can use obviously the DLS optimizer, our spreadsheet there to track which strategies or which days of the week are starting to bounce back and produce profit on SN03. So just a quick update there on crude. You can see that we've got a good bias to the short side. Strategy is running well, so definitely want to be tracking that. If you haven't already got that as part of your portfolio, it may be one to load up and keep an eye on. So that's probably about it for today. Looking forward to catching you on the next update. Okay, traders, thank you for spending some time with us today. If you'd like to become a GMT Futures or FX automated system trader, all you need to do is email us at info@gmtfutures.com and we can get you started straight away. Or you can call us at 617-336-00875. You can alternatively visit our website at www.gmtfutures.com, find out a little bit more about our products and the systems we're using. You can also visit our blog as well. So thank you for your time. Have a fantastic rest of the day and look forward to catching you on the next update. Cheers.